Hello and welcome to Cambridge Motors, established in 1959 here at the same address in Plumstead, London. Here we have for sale a petrol automatic BMW X1. This is the xLine model, so it's the top spec. This is the sDrive two-wheel drive. It's in great condition inside and out, finished in a real nice metallic black. This one's got lots of extras as well. This one has a full panoramic opening roof. Comes with front parking sensors and side parking sensors, because this one has park assist, BMW call that. LED headlights, diamond cut alloy wheels. This one's got courtesy glass, so the rear glass is more tinted than the fronts. Only had one owner from new, with full BMW history as I mentioned. Inside outside's in great condition. Not been smoked, no pets inside. These are full leather seats with like a grey stitching. These are heated seats as well. This one has the interior lighting pack that runs around the dashboard and around the door card, and you can change the colour if you wanted to. In the back here there's plenty of room for 3 adults. There's 2 USB-C ports there for your passengers. Also, you can blow the air conditioning or heating to your passengers via these vents. Has the centre divider with cup holders built in. You can drop these seats down as well, so if you want a real large boot you can do so. Comes with a power tailgate. You can operate that via the key as well, and there's a button inside the driver's door you can use. There's your panoramic roof from inside. Has a 12-volt outlet there. Also a little bit more storage, and the original mats are underneath there as well. This looks really good actually with the black, and it's got the dark black highlights around the top of the doors. You go inside. Has 4 electric windows and power folded heated mirrors. Auto lights and auto wipers. Comes with a push button start here. The panoramic roof is opening, so you can slide that back. Goes back about 3/4 way, and then there's one more press and you can go all the way back, which is there. There is a blind also as well, so if there's too much sun coming in you can close the blind here. But this is sun protected, so you probably don't need to, but just in case it's there. There's a very little small mark on the blind there, very small, but it is there. I'd like to mention that. This one has a collision prevention system built in. Also has the different driving modes, so you can flick between Eco Pro mode, Comfort mode and Sports mode, whichever you prefer. Has the book backs as well, and the locking wheel nut key. Heated seats in the front. Is a 3-2-1 setting on both sides. Dual climatic air conditioning, so you can have the temperature left to right to yourself, so if your passenger's feeling hotter or colder you can adjust to suit. Comes with cruise control and speed limitation, and also a voice command system. This one has Apple CarPlay as well, so you can see that as Apple CarPlay. So if you wanted to mirror your Google Maps or your Waze straight to that centre screen via your Apple phone, you could do so. But it has built-in navigation as well, so it has both on this. Quite neat. When you set the destination, it also mirrors where your instructions, your navigation instructions, into that centre screen there, which is a neat idea. These come with a DAB radio as well, and it also comes with Apple CarPlay. It's got both. You can actually adjust this, which is quite clever. So this is the home screen, but if you wanted to move, say, this up or down, you can put your finger there and move up or down to where you suit, so you go back to the home screen, so you've got your favourites as soon as you turn on. But it's in great condition, and if there's any questions or anything you'd like to know, please don't hesitate to email or call us. Just before I go, it also has a parking sensors front and rear on this one, but it also has a self-park system, so you sit there and it has a park assist. Okay, many thanks.